We are back in Bulgaria, second time this trip. We're in a little town called Kyustendil, which is just on the, well, just by the border with North Macedonia. It's sort of amongst some low mountain ranges. It's a bit of a spa town, a lot of fresh water springs and some old Roman baths here. So we're here for 4 days, and then we're going to head further north in Bulgaria before heading into Romania. So remains of a fortress at the top of the hill, built between the 4th and the 6th centuries. So that's the town down there, and there's a bit of a festival going on in town because it is the day celebrating Saint Cyril and Saint Methodius, and they were two guys from Thessaloniki actually, but they were working on behalf of the Bulgarian Empire, and they invented the Cyrillic alphabet. And they actually invented it in Lake Ohrid, which is in North Macedonia, but at that stage was part of the Bulgarian Empire. So that's what they're celebrating today, and then tomorrow is a public holiday for it. So we actually drove down from North Macedonia. You can see that little road coming down there, and at the top of those hills is the border.
They're squeezing up the last of it and just toss it.
There's a mosque built right beside or above some old Roman baths, because there's some thermal springs around here, and then they've got some slightly more modern but still very old baths there. A short walk to have a picnic amongst the sequoia trees. Continuing our tour of abandoned Bulgarian buildings. Coming up on Breetventures wildlife tour. There's a snake. Ooh, it is. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, it's a water snake. I think he ate like a caterpillar.
We've just taken a beautiful drive up through the mountains to the Rila Monastery. And it's set up here in these mountains which still have snow on them. Gonna go take a look through and then maybe do a hike nearby. Made a quick stop at Pollyanna's Meadow, right in the middle of the mountains. This is as far as the road goes. Here we go. Here we go. Maddie's got it. That's fine. Go.
You go first. You go first.
All right.
If you forward,
See? Easy.
gonna do that if I cry.
Almost thought it was a snake, but it's a lizard.
Being able to do what?
Oh, hang on.
He could
With
change.
2
He
hands,
could
like
drop his tail.
Yeah, yeah.
Do it like
I've got bigger fingers. He's cute.
Maddie, what was the lizard's name? Greg. Yep. Greg. No, his name's Greg. The lizard's name is Greg. Woohoo! His name is Greg.
More of our wildlife tour of Europe. We've found some wild horses. Wow, they mustn't be wild. They've got horse bells on them. We've just arrived in Sofia. We're just making a quick stop over here on the way to our next place in the north of the country. So we've got a couple of hours to explore the capital of Bulgaria. Guess who we've spotted here? After a week away, we meet in the centre of Sofia.
Nice to see you.
That is the oldest building in Sofia from 3rd century, did you say? 4th century. Central Market Hall. We've arrived at Belogradchik. There's a castle on the hill, and then there's all these rock formations nearby, so we're going to go and explore those tomorrow. Walking down our street, we're going to visit that fort just up on the hill up there that you can see. Should have amazing views over the whole valley and possibly down to the Danube River. Over the impressive portal. So this whole fortress was started by the Romans in the 1st century and added to over the next few centuries, and then in the Middle Ages it was added to again by the Ottomans. 133 steps.
Yep.
Woo! Oh yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna climb down. I can pass it over.
Chilling in the cave. Now this is an older Roman fortification right beside the bigger one. Lovely big old Russian truck. It's going for a walk around the village. More Russian vehicles. Another one of these old Russian vans. And right next to this beautiful modern house. We have not seen any of these probably in this area. For those of you who don't speak Bulgarian or read Cyrillic, that says Belogradchik. One of the coolest place names we've been to. Success. Dinner is served. Holy moly, look at that. That's massive. Yum. What flavour is it? Oh, they gave us plates. Oh, wow. Excellent. Good work, guys.
I think I'll be alright with a plate. I'm going to dig in and just...
Someone's got to dig in. Crossing over the Danube River, which means we're crossing over from Bulgaria to Romania.